Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader siya yung i-search mo sa Facebook. Open siya sa personal reading. Okay, let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Ako hindi pa ako open, pero kung mag-open ako, i-announce ko na lang yun sa aking Facebook. I-announce ko na lang yan sa aking Facebook. Madam P, i-search mo na lang hashtag Virgo Philippines. Ayan, may mga ina-upload din ako dyan guys na hindi ko na-upload dito sa YouTube. So, kung gusto mong i-check ay pumunta ka na lang doon. Okay? Tsaka, if you are interested sa mga product na ginagawa namin, protection, lucky, charm, yan, katulad na itong mga nasa likod ko. Ayan, tsaka yung mga suot ko ngayon. Yan, mga dream catcher. Sa amin pong TikTok shop. At saka meron din kami Shopee. Pero medyo nagkaka-problem pa yung aming Shopee ngayon. Pero we do have TikTok. You might want to check it out. Search mo na lang Unipree sa TikTok. Simulan na natin, Virgo. Sana mag-comment ka dyan sa baba kahit po heart-heart lang smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Three of Hearts is here. Ace of Spade. Jack of Diamonds. And King of Hearts. Actually, marami tong card. Pero naramdaman ko yung energy na kailangan ko siyang i-read. So, Jack of Hearts is here. Okay, I like this. Virgo, the Queen of Diamonds is at the bottom of the deck and the King of Diamonds. You are someone na, you do have a lot of, sabihin na natin, stability sa'yo. I mean, your skills, talents, meron ganyan eh. Ngayon, pag pinagsama-sama mo yun, like, iyon yung something na hindi kayang basta kunin ng ibang tao sa'yo. Kasi parang, that is like yung bagay na parang kaya nilang kunin yung money, everything, or what. Pero yung skills mo, talents mo, kung ano ka as a person, yun yung hindi nila kayang kunin sa'yo. Diba? Hindi nila kayang nakawin. You are a person also with a big heart, with a King of Hearts, Jack of Hearts. Ikaw yung tipo ng tao na masyado kang open pagdating sa love. You are someone na open pagdating sa giving and receiving. Ayan. Pero yung iba sa inyo, mas more on a giver ka pa nga mas ikaw pa nga yung nagbibigay minsan kaysa sa ikaw yung makaka-receive. Pero hindi mo naman kasi binibilang na yung mga ganong bagay. Pero ang problema pa nga, ang may mali pa nga sila dahil once na sila yung magbigay minsan sa'yo, sila yung nagkakalkula kung ano yung mga bagay na binigay nila, ginawa nila, which is yun yung hindi maganda, diba? Kasi ikaw, pag nagbigay ka, hindi mo na para kalkulahin, banggitin, sabihin pa yung mga bagay na binigay mo. Tapos pagdating sila na may mga ginawa silang mabuti or whatever sa'yo, time will come, binabanggit nila, sinasabi nila. So, I'm seeing a particular person, hindi naman lahat, may particular person or people lang sa buhay mo na dumating na ganun yung naging ginawa nila na parang pinuno mo ng kabaitan, diba? Tapos biglang binalik sa'yo. Kabaitan pa rin naman, kaya lang may panunumbat, diba? And the Ace of Spade is here. I feel like meron ka mga ideas or kung wala pa, paparating pa lang itong idea na ito with the Ace of Spade sa'yo, which is with the Three of Hearts. I feel like it has something to do with a friend or a person, particular person, maybe with regard sa iyong past or past life, na pwedeng may idea ka or naiisip ka regarding dito sa taong to. And I feel like for some of you, ito yung medyo pina-priority or dapat mo talagang i-priority for now, okay? So, something is brewing here, parang ganon. And yung iba, it has something to do with money, career, ganyan. Kunin natin yung main energy ng person na kakonect mo. person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love for the sign of Virgo. Sana, kung nagustuhan mo tong reading, pa-comment na lang dyan sa bagay. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yung comments ninyo, likes ninyo. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang yung cards guys, nagulo. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Person nakakonect ni Virgo. Person nakakonect ni Virgo. Okay. 3 cards ang kukunin ko. Okay. Jack of Hearts is here. Wow. Jack of Hearts. 6 of Spade and the 5 of Spade. Lumabas din dito yung 2 of Diamonds. I feel like etong person na to, with the Jack of Hearts, marami kayong pagkakapareho nito person na to, and at the same time, this could be a person who is younger than you, or someone who is young at heart, or pwedeng you feel like bumabalik ka sa pagkabata or pagka-teenager mo with you know, while you are connecting or dealing with this person. Tapos with the 5 of Diamonds, 5 of Spade and the 6 of Spade, this could be a person na pwedeng matulungan ka pagdating sa mga bagay na kailangan mong mag-move on or umalis, baguhin sa sarili mo. Like, this person can help you do that. No? And nakakita tayo na ang priority na tong person na to is money. Ang priority niya ay, I feel like ang priority niya ay ikaw. Okay. So, ano yung emotions ninyo ng person na ito, sa connection na ito? Person, ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Emotion niyo sa isa't isa, you do have the 5 of Hearts, the Jack of Spade, and the Queen of Hearts. Okay. Gusto mo itong person na to, but some of you, may mga pinagdadaanan ka pang kalungkutan. Maybe because of a young person. The Jack of Spade is showing as a young person. And maybe, kung hindi man young person, maybe someone who is acting like a child, like someone na very immature. Nakakakita tayo ng kalungkutan na nararamdaman mo with regards dito sa person na to. And the 8 of Spade, maybe yung iba sa inyo, the 8 of Spade is the feeling of parang pagka-stuck dito sa sitwasyon na to with regards do sa nabanggit ko, na parang hindi ka makaalis dito sa sitwasyon na to, na parang, I mean, there's love there, mahal, maybe you are you know, stuck sa person na parang, if this is a child, you are stuck dito sa child na to. Yung iba naman, if this is a relationship, maybe masyadong immature tong karelasyon mo, tapos stuck ka dito sa person na to. But I can see love dito. It's just that, nakakapagod. Ganun yung energy, nakakapagod. Parang nakakapagod mahalin, intindihin itong taong ito. Emotions ng person nakakonect mo. I mean, eto yung lumabas, King, Queen, Jack. King, Queen, Jack. Dalawang spade, king and jack, and then the queen is clover. Okay. May lumabas pa palang isa, nagtago lang. It's the ace of hearts. Okay. Ang bottom of the deck is the ace of spade, and then nagpakita rin sa akin ito eight of spade, which is yung nasa bottom of the deck mo kanina is the eight of spade. Nagpakita rin sa akin dito. So, actually, itong person na to is very mature, okay, with the king, queen, jack energy. The king of spade, nagpapakita siya as a person na parang very professional, very, career, or siya hindi po ng tao na marunong siya mag-isip, madiskarte, magaling, very professional, very business-like, Could be someone na nagtatrabaho sa military, sa government, or anything. This person is working, and the Queen of Clover, nagpapakita itong person na to na malaki yung may aambag nitong person na to pagdating sa if you need someone to talk to, especially pag kailangan mo ng mentor, teacher, advisor. The Jack of Spade, I feel like itong person na to is nakikita natin yung connection niya doon sa Three of Hearts mo kanina So, pwedeng itong person na to would reconcile, reconnect, meet you in person. And this could be a new person with the ace of spade. Basta there's something na mabubuo kayo ng person na to, like ideas or pag-uusap. And kung ano man itong, stock energy mo, I feel like itong person na to is going to help you na ma-overcome, makaalis, or maintindihan yung situation mo na yon and kung bakit kailangan mong umalis doon, and that malaki yung magiging ambag niya, sabihin na natin ganun, regarding dun sa part na yun sa'yo. Okay, malaki may tutulong niya. And the Ace of Hearts, of course, there's a lot of love mula sa taong ito. So, ano yung future between you and this person? Virgo. Seven of Clover, Four of Spade, and the King of Diamonds. You are very mature, by the way, ha? Kasi nakakita tayo ng mga, sa side mo, ang dami naman ninyo pagkakapareho nito person na to. A lot of maturity sa connection na to. Parang alam mo yung tipo ng connection na parang connection tayo, connected ako sa iyo, may emotions ako sa iyo. Tapos samahan natin ng professional kind of connection, parang ganoon. What will happen between the two of you? Sa iyo at sa person na ito. Tatlong ace yung nakita natin, which is the Ace of Hearts, Ace of Clover, at saka Ace of Spade. So, tatlong aces yon. The Five of Hearts is here. I want to clarify what's with the Ace of Hearts, Five of Hearts. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Ten of Diamonds is here. Parang hindi mo na kailangan malungkot. I can see a new beginning between you at saka sa taong to. Queen of Spade is here. So, there's going to be a big change. Nakakita tayo ng big change sa iyo at sa person na to. Big change, big connection. Tapos, I can see an ending. This person is the one na nakikita natin na magte-take ng risk sa'yo. Wait lang guys, nalaglag yung isang card. Okay, I'm back. Three of Spades is here. If you are stuck in a relationship connection, Three of Spades is lumalabas siya as another connection relationship. There could be a new beginning for you at saka sa person na to. Ayan na, ace na naman. And apat na yung ace na nagpakita sa side niya. So, ito yung person, new beginning. I can see a soulmate, new person na hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry, nandito ako. kung ano man yung mga dapat mong i-end mo yan kasi nandito naman ako para sa'yo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye. Tsaka nga pala, again, if you want to avail itong mga product na sa aking likod, mga suot ko ngayon, ayan, doon sa aming TikTok shop, pumunta ka na lang, Unipree. I also do have Shopee, so hindi pa nga lang masyadong maayos si Shopee kasi bago pa lang. And yung Madam P na Facebook page namin, pwede ka doon mag-inquire if you want na mag-avail ng mga products namin. Okay, so sana i-follow mo rin ako sa Facebook. Nag-uploads or nagpo-post kami dyan ng mga daily card reading. Pero hindi siya style video parang post lang siya, so you might want to check it out. Thank you for watching and bye bye.